everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your third week of July reading start from the 15th through the 21st of July 2020. This is going to be for the sign of Cancer. So let's see what is coming up for the Cancerians for this week time, which has already started. I will be adding charms and I will be pulling out one oracle card as well, so stay tuned. And now while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box, and you can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. You can also check out my sister's tarot channel as well. We'll be adding the link to her channel in the comment section. If you like it, you can always become a part of her YouTube family as well. So let's get started. Let's find out what is coming up for Cancerians for this week time. Let's begin. Okay. King of Swords, paired up with Queen of Pentacles, paired up with Six of Cups, Four of Cups, Nine of Swords, and Three of Wands. Underneath the deck, we do have Two of Swords. Somebody is being, I do see somebody's pulling themselves away from something. It can be your energy, it can be the energy of the person that you are dealing with. Somebody's trying to be withdrawn from a relationship, connection, or something around those lines. I feel like it can be your energy, it can be the energy of the person that you are dealing with, but whatever the case is, whoever it is that is trying to pull themselves away from this relationship situation, it's because I feel like okay, let me say, if this is your energy, like you are the one who's getting, who's withdrawn from a connection, I feel like you are pulling yourself away from this person, from this connection, because you don't feel that you can accept the offer that they have to make, or you can give in to this connection, because the reason could be anything. Let me take one more card. Okay, love. Okay. I do see you withdrawn because you don't think that you can give this person love or this relationship whatever it requires. You don't see yourself being able to give into this connection. And that's the only reason why you are withdrawing yourself and your energy from this connection. You would be like acting weird with this person in during this week time. I don't know what this situation was in the past, but yes, I do see you pulling yourself away from this person, from this connection, which is something that you don't want to do, but at the same time you feel that you don't have a choice, because otherwise you are going to get attached to this person. You feel that you are it's more like that's what you feel from deep within, but you're pretending to not accept this offer, because you are telling yourself that I don't want this. I am too focused on my work and career. I don't want to deal with this. I don't want to deal with this situation. Maybe at your work front, maybe there is somebody in your life at your work front who you were in a relationship with, or who you were attracted to, but now you're pulling yourself away because you don't want to I feel like there is strong emotion that you feel for this person, but at the same time you're not letting it out. You are just trying to lie to yourself about this person, whoever it is. But at the same time, I do see that you do like this person a lot. I do see that there are in this week time, especially around the end of the week, I do see that this person, whoever it is that you're withdrawing yourself from, this person is going to start talking to someone else, and that too in front of you. Like when I say they are going to start talking to someone else, it seems like you are not going to like them talking to another person, especially if this person is somebody at your work front. I feel like they seeing you pull away is going to make them it's going to make them feel like okay, fine, I need to move on, and I will do it in front of you, because they really want to make you feel jealous. They really want to make you feel like regret for doing what you did by withdrawing from this connection. I feel like this person is going to do something to make you feel jealous about the new person that they are even either starting off with, but just to tease you, just to make you feel bad and sorry for losing them or not accepting their love offer. I do see that this person is going to do something to make you feel bad during this week time, especially around the end of the week. I do see you withdrawing yourself in the beginning, which is going to definitely not make this person happy. And yes, they are going, they know what you feel for them, but at the same time, since you are not expressing, this person is just going to let it be, and they are going to pretend to be, in some sort of connection with a new person. Maybe it can be a person at your work front, it can be a person at, wherever you go or meet every single day, maybe. For some of you, maybe you work together. For others of you, it could be, a place where you go on daily basis or regular basis, where you meet this person every now and then. If not, then there is this energy coming along where who this person is seeing now, or who she or he will be seeing as they move towards towards the end of the week. Because I do see that um, I do see you getting to know that this person is seeing someone for sure. So be that you watching it yourself, or you are going to hear about them dating or seeing someone new in their life. But yes, you are going to get to know about that, which is definitely going to make you feel bad, because deep down you have emotions for them, but you are pretending that you are not interested in them, just because you are to focus on your work maybe, or you have other things to do maybe. But yes, you are not accepting their love offer, but at the same time you are interested in them. You just pretending not to be interested in them at all. But yes, I do see a lot of interest coming from your end towards this person as well. Your mind is not going to get off from this person easily. Whether it's more like, I feel like you have made a mistake in the beginning of the week, where you pretending to be okay without them. Deep down, you are interested in this person. For whatever reason you pull yourself away from them, it's not going to be helpful, because it is going to affect your work and your performance in the other areas of your life. You might have detached yourself because you felt like maybe it's going to have a bad influence on your work and other areas of your life. But in actuality, you doing what you did is affecting you bad way in the later part of the week. I do see you getting jealous. Plus, you will have this person on your mind, especially in the later half of the week. So let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading for you guys for this week time. Let's see what it is. When I lean toward love, I am led. You allowed your fear to basically let you allowed your fear to take this decision of detaching from this person. um if you had allowed your love to control the situation, or to unfold and have let the things unfold naturally, I feel like you would have done the right decision, or you would have taken the right decision then. But you trying to control your emotions is something which is definitely going to get you in trouble in the later part of the week for sure, because you are not going to like the fact that they are seeing someone else. But at the same time, I do see your person seeing another person just to make you feel jealous, and they are pretty good, they are pretty successful doing so, because you are going to feel bad for seeing them with another person for sure. So if you really want to escape that negativity for yourself, or you don't want that to influence your life in a bad way, it's better if you don't pretend to be okay without this person. Embrace the feelings that you have with this person or for this person, and try to figure out how you can maintain a healthy balance between your love and work, so it doesn't affect you or influence your other areas of your life in a bad way. Because I do see, if you hold yourself back, it is definitely going to get you in trouble for sure. If you embrace the feelings and you allow it to grow gradually, I feel like things will get better for the two of you, because you are going to be like um, having a healthy relationship. But you pulling yourself out of it, it's definitely going to add toxicity in your life. So don't let that happen if you can. But yes, totally your choice. Let's see what the chance has to add to the reading for you guys for this week time. Wow, lots of people maybe. You do have lots of alphabets here. T, it could be your name initial of the person that you are dealing with. S, A, V, F, maybe you are going to do the same for them, with them. Somebody's moving very fast here, like, if you see them with another person, maybe you are going to do the same to them. You are going to feel like, okay, fine, if they can move on, I will also move on. But in actuality, you are ignoring the fact here that they did what they did because you pushed them to do so. If you had accepted their offer, and allowed your feelings to take the charge of the situation, you wouldn't be feeling this way. And now I do see, like, it's not gonna happen this week time, but I do see, since you're getting jealous, it's just gonna add to your stress. Plus, since they are doing so to make you jealous, you are going to do the same to them in the maybe next week or so. So, which is, again, it's a toxic situation. It's like, you don't have to do that. If you were ready to get into a relationship, you should have gotten into one with this person itself, without holding yourself back. And now, since they are gone, you are feeling jealous, and now you're doing the same to them just to make them feel jealous as well. So it's a toxic situation there. So yeah, but yes, you do have strong deep emotions for this person, which you have been trying to suppress or ignore, or trying to control, basically. So but yes, you do want them in your life. You do have strong emotions with for this person. But I feel like it's not gonna last long. You doing this to them, they doing this to you. It's not gonna last long, because ultimately you both are coming back together, because you both are, like, the couple or something around those lines. I don't see you continuing this energy, like, where you are trying to be something, or trying to do something else with someone else, and they trying to do something else with someone else. I don't see that last long. Maybe it's gonna last for 1 to 2 weeks time, not more than that. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this week time. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.